Hi guys, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi A2 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. At first, open new message or any other area where you can put some text. So here we've got the current keyboard. To change it, tap on settings icon, select languages, click Add keyboard and pick the language that you want to apply. So now you can either scroll all the way down and look for the language that you want to apply, or you can use the search button. So enter here, for example, French or whatever. You can choose this language. Let me apply Arabic so you can see the difference and letters. Tap on done. And that's it, it is applied. And now you can either stay with both languages or you can remove unnecessary one. Then go back and as you can see the change is applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.